Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get a discount on Evernote. Let's begin. Getting an Evernote discount on your mobile device requires checking for offers or promotions available through the app or other sources. Matter of fact, if we hover down below, you can see that we can get a 40% discount. Enjoy Evernote without any ads. If we click that in-app discount, what will happen is we'll be forwarded to this section that says enjoy Evernote without ads. Redeem your exclusive offer to create unlimited notes and notebooks on all your devices. All right. Your subscription will renew automatically. You can cancel it anytime from the Google Play settings. You get 40% discounts and just this for a month and this for a year. So let's try that. Get 40% discount. What will happen is it will be forwarded here. And all we have to do is click on the continue. Again, you can cancel anytime in subscriptions on Google Play. If you're using an iOS, you might want to do that on the Apple Play Store. And they will send you a 7 days before your intro price ends. If you click the continue button, what will happen is you will be forwarded to this section. You have the MasterCard and of course the payment method to your Google account. You can use or use other credit or debit card. You can add PayPal, and if you click the more options, it would give you something like this. All right, so if you want to add all of these, it's up to you. Now after that, the next thing that we're going to do is just go to the upper left corner and click your profile icon and go to the settings. I want you to hover to the account info. That's going to be under more settings. Click on it. You can always check the account info if there are like app discount here. All right, so right now I'm using the free, and if you want to take advantage of the other discounts here that was given to your account, take advantage of it. Now the next thing is on your mobile device, just go to the Evernote official website. As you can see, they're offering 40% New Year's offer. Special New Year's offer. Start the new year with a productivity boost thanks to Evernote's best features. If you click the save 40% now, you will be forwarded to this section. That's going to be the Evernote billing. All right. Right now, I'm using the personal plan, and all I have to do is click the section here. You see, it has been minus 40%, right? Look at the numbers right here. All right. And you have all of these main features for you. If you stay on the bottom, all I have to do is choose from any of the following options for you to pay that on the checkout process. Once you do that, just follow with the on-screen instructions and you'll get discounts here in Evernote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.